The Desert Courtyard House, designed by Wendell Burnette Architects, is a masterpiece nestled amidst the rugged beauty of the Sonoran Desert. The site, a peninsula of granite outcroppings and towering saguaro cacti, is surrounded by deep perennial washes, offering a sense of seclusion and isolation. The building site itself, further down a private drive, levels out towards the west, revealing a breathtaking vista of distant mountain ranges that ignite with the drama of the Arizona sunset. To respect the site's natural beauty and to create a sense of harmony with the surrounding landscape, the architects conceived of a courtyard house that would recede into the desert floor. The courtyard, a central element of the design, offers a serene and contemplative space, a sanctuary from the harsh desert environment. The sound of water trickling through a fractured granite boulder field and a rush of cattails adds a touch of tranquility to the courtyard, creating a Zen-like atmosphere. The interior of the house is equally impressive, with its minimalist aesthetic and emphasis on natural materials. The millwork, crafted from steel and bronze, is volumetric, revealing its contents only when touched. The ceiling, with its long fissures, allows light to filter into the space, creating a sense of mystery and intrigue. The overall effect is one of understated elegance, a celebration of the desert's raw beauty and timeless simplicity. The architects were inspired by the site's unique geological formations, including a large arrow-shaped granite boulder and a peculiar group of volcanic rocks. They sought to preserve and celebrate this microcosm of the desert landscape, integrating it into the design of the house. The courtyard walls, constructed using the ancient technique of rammed earth, emerged from the site itself, requiring no import or export of materials. The earth, sourced from the site, was compacted into thick, dense walls, creating a strong and enduring structure that is both beautiful and sustainable. The courtyard is surrounded by a monolithic landform, cast-in-place concrete, which serves as a plinth for the house. The concrete, sourced from local materials, is textured and faceted, revealing the geological history of the site. The landform rises gradually, culminating in a segmented monocline that opens up to the western vista. The massing of the house, with its faceted walls and fissured openings, echoes the forms of the surrounding desert landscape.